Good morning. This morning, I'm going to go over the assignment you have on quizzes. I'm going to go through just most of the questions and explain how to do them. Some of them I might show on the whiteboard, but most of them I think I can just explain it. We've done some things similar. So question one, it says find the sales tax only. So it doesn't mean find the total that you would pay, just what the tax would be. So you need to have a calculator available and do 199.95 times 9%. Well, 9%, you move the decimal 2 places from right here. You don't really have 2 places. That would be 0.9. So you have to put a 0 there and put 0.09. So 199 times 0.09 is what you would do. It's the same on this one down here, except on question 2, you have to pay attention to the words. And it says find the total cost. So you need to do 990 times 0.09 and then add that amount back to 990. You could also take 990 times 1.09, and it's only one step that way. That's the way that I would encourage to do it. I think it makes the most sense that way, but if that doesn't make sense to you, you would take it times 0.9 if you were going to add it, and 1.09 if you wanted to just do one step. So I would encourage you to do it that way. When you're going to add any of them together, you can always put a 1 in front of the percentage sign and it will add up in one step. Sales tax needs to be added to your price. It's not multiplied. I know you multiply to get the sales tax, but then you add it to the price. Find the gratuity only. Gratuity means the tip. So in this one right here, the tip is going to be 18%, which means you need to move the decimal 2 places. So it would be 0.18 times 75.45. Down here, find the total cost. So you're going to have a meal, take that times 0.09 and add it back to your meal, and then take it times 0.20, take the answer you got to this times 0.20 and then add it back to this. Or you could take 20 times 1.09, just like in this one, and then take that answer times 1.20, and then you don't have to add anything to anything. It just does it for you. It adds that original value back. When you multiply something times 1, it equals itself. And what you're essentially doing is multiplying it by 1 and equaling itself. Then you're multiplying it by 20. And then in the end answer, they add together. So you don't have to do any addition that way. So 20 times 1.09 times 1.20, and you'll get your answer. Shelly sells a home for $127,000 and makes 7% commission. How much commission does she make? Commission is the amount of money that she will make. 7%, you got to move the decimal 2 places. Well, there's not really 2 places to move the decimal. So once again, you have to add a place. The decimal is right here to start, and you move it 1 place to here. Then you have to add a 0 and to move it 2 places. So you're going to multiply by 0.07 to get your answer. And in this case, it's not saying how much will it be total. It's just saying how much will she make in commission. So you're just finding 7%. So you would multiply by 0.07. Ralph sells a motorcycle for $7,800 on eBay. eBay charges Ralph a 6% fee on the selling price. How much did Ralph get in total for the motorcycle after paying the fee? So you need to find 6%, which would be multiplying by 0.06. And he's going to pay that. Since he's going to pay that, you've got to subtract it off of 7,800. So you're going to find 6%, subtract it from 7,800, and then you'll get your answer. One last one here. A Toyota Sienna sells for $41,899. A year later, the value is $36,469. What is the percent change to the nearest 0.1%? This question is different. So let me pull up a calculator and show you how you need to do this. So you have 2 values. This is what you start with, and this is what you end with. And you always take the second value and you divide it by the first value. So you can see that I have taken the end value, I've divided it by the second value, then you subtract 1 from that. And it will be a decrease of 12.95%, which is going to round to a 13% decrease. You all have a good day. Let me know if you need any help. You can send me an email or give me a call. See ya.